Where are you? Come on. There you are. There you are. You wearing my jumper? You want to go back in, don't you? Where are you? There you are. Well, you can't blooming see it because it's dark. Hey! There you are! Leave it like that. What's wrong? Where are you going? Where are you going? There you are! There's your head! There you go. You want to hide? Where are you? There you are. That's your foot, that. I can feel your foot. Oh no, she's tipping. Ow. No, well, you can't get up by backing that. Come on. There. There. Right. There you are. You okay?
Up next, going to play you something from Bed Pushing Vultures and a new one from Flash right after this.
You had enough? Yeah, she's had enough.